Good morning, dear students. We will start our lesson where we left in the previous video. 100, Wanda would say. 100, exclaimed all the little girls incredulously, and the little ones would stop playing hopscotch and listen. When Peggy was asking Wanda how many dresses you have, so she used to answer 100 dresses. So everybody, when they heard 100 dresses, everybody stopped playing hopscotch and they looked towards Wanda with surprise. Hey, 100, all lined up, said Wanda. Then her thin lip drew together in silence. Wanda said, yes, I have 100 dresses, and then she closed her lips. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. Yeah, all silk, all colors, velvet too. Yes, velvet too, 100 dresses. Wanda would repeat solitary, all lined up in my closet. Then Peggy was not at all believing on what Wanda said. But she said, 100 dresses are you saying? She said yes. Then she asked, was it made of with silk? She said yes, silk, many colors. Then she asked, what about velvet? She said, even in that velvet colored dresses are also there, and all are lined up in my almirah. Then they would let her go, and then before she would gone very far, they couldn't help rustling into shrieks, meaning shout, and peals of laughter. And when Wanda was not even crossed that area, after saying this, Wanda left, and they started shouting, laughing, talking, and they were just enjoying because they did not believe what Wanda said. They were not believing that Wanda had 100 dresses because every day Wanda was coming in the same dress. 100 dresses, obviously. The only dress Wanda had was the blue one she wore every day. Why are they not believing? Because every day what Wanda was wearing was that faded blue color dress. So how could it possible that she had 100 dresses? So why did she say she had 100? What a story. Now she was also curious to know why was she saying every time that I have 100 dresses when it was not truth. How many shoes did you say you had? 60 pairs, all lined up in my closet. Cries of exaggerated politeness greeted this, all alike. Now, when she asked how many shoes you have, again she said the answer that I have 60. Oh no, every pair is different, all colors, all lined up. Then she said, I have all 60 color pair shoes and all are different in colors. Still nobody was believing in that. Peggy, who had thought of this game, and Maddie, her inseparable friend, were always the last to leave. Peggy had decided to play this game with Wanda, and Maddie was her close friend, even I should say inseparable friend, who was always there and was not ready to leave. Finally, Wanda would move up the street, her eyes dull and her mouth closed, hitching her left shoulder every now and then in the funny way she had, finishing the walk to school alone. Now, for teasing, so many girls were coming near Wanda, but actually no one was her friend because then she was going to school all alone. Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies, and she cried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. Actually, dear children, you must be thinking that Peggy was a wrong girl. Actually, Peggy was not bad. Even she used to save the children who used to bully others. And small children she used to protect. Whenever any animal was mistreated, she felt sorry. If anybody had said to her, don't you think that is a cruel way to treat Wanda? She would have been very surprised. Cruel? Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? Actually, for Peggy, it was not at all cruel. Though nobody said her regarding this, but if anybody would have said it to Wanda that she was not doing right thing to Peggy for Wanda, so her answer would be, I am asking a simple question, but why is she telling lie? She should not speak lie. Anybody could tell that was a lie. Why did she want to lie? And she was not just an ordinary person. Else, why did she have a name like that? Anyway, they never made her cry. So, she said that she would have been said that why is she telling this all the time? When it is wrong, she did not, anybody can say she did not have 100 dresses. And moreover, Wanda Petronsky, her name was also very big. So why she has such big name? These things were Peggy was curious about. As for Maddie, the business of asking Wanda every day now how many dresses and how many hats. So now it has become her everyday task to ask Wanda how many dresses you have and how many this and that she had was bothering her. But Maddie was not, though Maddie was the best friend of Wanda, but Maddie did not like this game of Wanda that every time why was she asking how many dresses you have, how many this, that. Maddie was poor herself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Maddie was also very poor, though she was wearing new clothes every day, but those clothes were given to her by somebody else after using. Thank goodness she didn't live up on Bogging Heights or have a funny name. But Maddie was at least happy that she was not living in Boggings Heights. So nobody knew that she is poor, because those who are living in Boggings Heights, they all are poor. And next thing, she said that it's good that she did not have any funny name. Sometime when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in the mocking polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. When Peggy was asking this question to Wanda for how many dresses you have, so that time Maddie though did not oppose this habit of Wanda, but she never speak this habit of Peggy, but she never asked these questions. That time she used to see somewhere busy in her hand. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly, she would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy had not invented the dresses game. Actually, this Maddie was not doing out of any concern for Wanda. Even she did not know who Wanda was. Her only concern was when Peggy discovered this game, then only she started to know Wanda. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next. She was not as poor as Wanda perhaps, but she was poor. But she was scared. If she will oppose it, maybe they would make her the next target. Though she was not as poor as as Wanda, that she was every day wearing the same dress, but she was also poor. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. But she said, if Wanda is poor, Wanda should not try to speak this lie of 100 dresses. She should not speak that she had 100 dresses. Still, she would like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Though, whatever is the reason, but she did not want that Peggy should tease Wanda Petronsky out of her dresses. These comprehension questions you will do.